so many colors of clays. That's good. So what are you going to make today for us, Donald?
I'm going to make a fish.
And how about you, Augustine?
I'm going to make a basketball.
Nice one, guys. So what are you going to make today for us today, Donald?
I'm going to make a fish.
Wow, nice one. How about you, Augustine? What are you going to make for us today?
A ball.
A ball. Wow. Football. That's lovely. Okay, let's see you guys make your football and your fish. All right, let's go. You're going to show our viewers how to make football and a fish. Nice one, guys. So what are you doing now, Donald?
Making a fish.
Okay.
That's all lips together.
All right.
Now we need the dots. Dots here. And another dot there.
Okay, nice one, guys. Keep it up.
I'll make this go for something I'm going to make. Subscribe.
Good job, guys.
Making a dot for the ball.
Okay.
Maybe I can know interest. We have enough colors. We have enough colors. We made a football.
Wow, nice one. Okay, so let's see, Donald. What are you doing? Like, are you still on your fish? Okay, nice one, guys.
I need some more dots so I can cover the white dots.
Okay.
Take this one.
How is the fish going, Donald?
They're almost done.
Okay, all right, good job. How about you, Augustine? How is the ball going?
Almost.
Okay, good.
Let's go for now the whites. And I made a football. Now it's time to make
The
it.
football has white and black colors. Wow, that's lovely. Nice one, guys.
It's time to make it.
So what try to make this time around?
A human.
A human. Wow, so you can make a human with a clay. That's lovely, guys.
But I need a
Okay, how's it
My
going?
fish.
Augustine, how are you doing yours?
good.
Nice. Let's take a closer look now and see.
I'm going to
Wow,
make
this is lovely. That's a human hand, human legs, The face with the eyes. Wow. That is a fish. This is lovely.
Now I'm going to have some special scary goggle eyes.
Wow. This is lovely.
I'm going to make some sit-ups. I'm going to make a crab. You see, we have made so many things out.
Wow.
Wow, we made so many things out of clay. You can do the same at home too. And thank you for watching. Click here and subscribe. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Okay.